Hello everybody, I am pretty sure whenever your mother finds you using your mobile phone, she must have said that your eyesight can get worse and you will end up having specs at an early age. She must be telling you that there is no other work except to use the phone all day long. So, is she right at saying this that mobile phones have a bad impact on our eyes? So do you want to know that if she is right in saying this, that the use of smartphones, laptops, computers can reduce our vision over time? Then do watch this video until the end. And yes, in the end, I'll share 10 effective ways that can help you protect your eyes from the negative impact of these smartphones and such devices. So let's take a deep dive. Nowadays, majority of the people, including youth and children, spend most of their time using mobile phones. But according to experts, the excessive use of smartphones and such devices can lead to eye problems. Now, let's understand it through science. Actually, smartphones emit blue light. Yes, they emit blue light as the sun emits white light. Naturally, our eyes can absorb the harmful UV rays coming from the sun, thus protect the eye from any negative impact. But since eyes are not good at absorbing blue light emitted by our smartphones and such devices, hence damage the retina, which affect our vision. And according to University of Toledo, blue light coming out of phone, tablet and television can damage vision and generate poisonous molecules in the eyes, light sensitive molecules. Do you know that our eyes need moisture to function properly? Yes, our eyes need moisture to function properly. But the continuous use of smartphones have resulted in lack of this moisture on the surface of the eye and has led to dry eye problem, which is most common in people who are addicted to smartphones. Usually, a healthy person blinks eyes for 16 times per minute. But excessive use of smartphones has led to decreased blink rate to 8. Hence, it will decrease tear production. But relax, it doesn't mean that we have to refrain ourselves from using smartphones, because there are so many ways that can be adopted by us to block this blue light coming out of our smartphones and such devices. So now let's talk about 10 effective ways to protect your eyes when using smartphone or computer. So the first one is night light or reading mode. Nowadays, smartphones have an option of night light or reading mode, which reduces the negative impact of blue light. Actually, it blocks the blue light. So you need to switch on this option whenever you use your mobile phone for long. The second one is anti-glare screen. Most of the high-end smartphones do come with an anti-glare screen, but if your phone doesn't have, go get one immediately because they reduce the amount of blue light that gets your eyes. The third option is blue light filter application. I think this is the best one because you need to download blue light filter application, but it is not that much effective as an anti-glare screen. The fourth one is to blink frequently. Staring at a screen dries your eyes, and the natural way to moisten them is by blinking frequently. The fifth point is 20-20-20 rule. Basically, 20-20-20 rule means that every 20 minutes you need to look at something at least 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. The sixth point is to adjust brightness and contrast. Too high or low brightness and contrast are both harmful for eyes. So adjust them to medium using your common sense, or you can get an application to automatically adjust brightness, and there are so many applications available on Play and Apple Store. Next comes is text size. As for text size, don't keep it too small because it strains the eyes. So better to keep text size larger or medium. The eighth point is keeping the right distance. Don't place your smartphone too close to your eyes. The recommended distance is at least 16 inches. You should place your phone at least 16 inches away from your eyes. The ninth point is to keep the screen of your phone clean. As you use your fingers to use your smartphone, hence it leaves so many dirty marks on it. So, by no surprise, these dirty marks put strain on your eyes. So just take a soft cotton cloth and clear the screen on regular basis. The last point is to avoid smartphone use in dark because it can damage our eyes. And there are special glasses which can be used to block this blue light coming out of our phones, such as anti-glare and blue cut computer glasses, which costs nearly about 1000 rupees. So, with this we end the video, and if you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button next to the subscribe button, and please don't forget to share this video with others to enhance their knowledge. Thank you so much.